Hi, I'm Eli.
And I'm Anna.
We'd like to show you our product, DriveSlide.
DriveSlide is an accessory that lives on your laptop and goes where you go. And no matter where your workspace is, it helps you set up quick, secure the important stuff, get rid of clutter, and keep it together.
Designed to fit in any case or sleeve and to hold any external accessory. DriveSlide is thin and lightweight while also being sturdy enough to hold your heftiest hardware.
This idea came to me in November of last year while working on a Netflix show that used external hard drives for data transfer.
She sent me a sketch of the idea and I started working on it in CAD while finishing up my engineering degree. And after months of design changes, we're super happy with the final product.
But we can't bring it into the world without your help. We need to create something called an injection mold, and it costs a lot of money.
So please tell your friends, your family, your tech-savvy nephew about DriveSlide, and please pledge today.
Thank you.